The Redmi Turbo 4 launched earlier this month in China and then got promptly rebranded for international markets as the Poco X7 Pro. It will be joined by the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro this year, which has previously been rumored to adopt a shockingly huge battery. Today, a new rumor out of China sheds more light on the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, and let's start with the battery itself. Previously said to be 7,500 mAh, this has apparently been toned down slightly to the low 7,000s. Notably, we now know what to expect chipset-wise, as the device is said to use the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite. The Redmi Turbo 4 uses the Dimensity 8400, and so it will be interesting to compare the performance of these two, seeing as how each chose to go with the newest sub-flagship SoC from Qualcomm and MediaTek, respectively. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro will have a 1.5K resolution flat screen, a metal frame, and glass on the back, and will apparently bring flagship-level CMF, color, material, finish, to the mid-range, which sounds quite exciting, so we're hoping this will be rebranded for international markets as well.